Hello guys, when you are about to learn any foreign language, the most important things that you should learn in this foreign language, this is a nouns, verbs, subjects, and the time using in the language. But in programming language, mostly any programming language contains only the three mostly object that you are using during all the code. The first object is variables. Variable, roughly saying, it is a cell. It is a cell that store some value inside of the cell. For example, we have a variable with the name message. Variable, it's only the type. We should give even the name. We have a variable and we gave a name message. And this variable, this cell, roughly saying, contains this message. For example, hello, my name is, and here it ends. Variables can be changed anytime you want. You can call in code the line that will change your variable. For example, I decide to append this message by my name. And here we declare in the same message variable a new message. Hello, my name is, and here we made a change. The next object in programming language, this is a constant. The constant, it's the same cell like a variable that stores some value, but the only difference between them that constants never can be changed, never. For example, we have a constant we declared in Swift by writing let, and we give a name message. And here is, for example, I am 18 years old. And further, we never allow to change the value of constant. And we will get the same message, or roughly we will get some error. And the last object used during programming code, this is a functions. Functions, this is a body that contains some variables and execute these variables inside of the functions. For example, we created a function and every time we should give a name, and we gave a name calculation. Inside of this function, we are working with the three variables or two constants and one variable. We declared that x is going to be 15, y is 10, and z is a 5. And inside of this calculation, we write a function. Inside of this calculation function, we write our function. It is a function because inside of this function executes some actions. If it executes some actions, it gives us something. That's why it do some function. That's why it's calling it functions. Okay, inside of this calculation function, we write, for example, x minus y minus z. And of course, 15 minus 10 minus 5 will be 0. And we are getting the result of calculation function as 0. We will get it. And this is the last object using during programming. But the interesting point that this function body can be assigned to some variable. For example, we can declare a new constant and name it result. And this constant result will contain the function itself. Mostly it's a result that we are getting in this function. This is how work programming language, roughly saying in a few words. But let's go further and see on the practice.